All right, so first experiment is going to be observing an unsaturated solution. So the word saturated is very similar to the word satisfied or satiated, meaning full. So if I have some water and add some table salt, which is the solute, so water is the solvent, table salt is the solute, and I stir it. Let's see if we can get that clearly there. All right, let's see. And we notice that all of the solute has dissolved, which means that this is an unsaturated solution, meaning not full. So all of the solute was able to dissolve in the solvent, water. Okay. What about a saturated solution? So here we go. Here's some water and table salt. All right, but this is a saturated solution. So let's see what happens when I add some more table salt to this saturated solution. And stir. So if you notice, in a saturated solution, the solute cannot dissolve. And we end up with a bunch of undissolved precipitate of the solute that cannot dissolve. So this means that the solution is saturated, meaning full. It cannot hold any more solute. Okay, now this is kind of interesting. This solution is supersaturated, meaning it's holding on to more dissolved solute than it should be able to hold. So I'm going to add a little bit more solute. In this case, it's sodium acetate, a type of salt. I'm going to add a little bit. And if you notice, the entire solution just precipitated back into crystals, holding the test tube upside down, right? So, and this is actually warm to the touch, even though it looks like ice. It's actually sodium acetate crystals. So if you add more solute to a solution and it dissolves, that means it was unsaturated. If the added solute cannot dissolve, it was saturated. And if you add more solute and the whole solution precipitates and recrystallizes, that means that it was supersaturated.